Hi everyone, I just wanted to give a quick how to log into Big Ideas Math in case some of you did not know how or did not remember how. Big Ideas Math, if you type bigideasmath.com, just that part, it should take you straight to this login page where you will then put in your username and your password. And then you will hit the login button and it will take you to this page right here. Then to add the class, you need to click on where your name is and hit add class. And then right here you would put in that code that I have. I just copied and pasted it, and that is how I added it for the first time. I've already done it for this right here for my pretend student, so I can't do it again. But then you would add it and it would join you into my Algebra 2 class as well as the Algebra 2 book. Now, what I would like to talk about is how to do this if you do not remember your username and password. So if you do not remember your username and password, so you've tried, you don't remember what it is, do not do the forgot password because that's going to email a past teacher, and who knows who that past teacher was. So you are just going to click this right here, new to Big Ideas Math. You will then put in the access code, hit next. Now you would enter your first name and your last name. Okay, then you would enter in a password that you would like. So A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 with an @ symbol, something like that. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 with an @ symbol, something that you will remember. Then right here where it says enter your student ID, you can try to not use your student ID and see if it lets you. If it does not let you, I'm going to tell you pick a random 6 to 10 digit number. Now don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because that's already been done. Usually what I do is when I've had students with this problem, I just come in and type some random numbers and on we go. I do not care about your student ID. If you already have made an account, your student ID has already been used, so it will tell you that. Sometimes they make you, sometimes they don't. Then you would hit your next button and it would be logged in just the same as if you logged in without forgetting your username and password. As always, email me if you have any questions and I will answer anything you have.